Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the app Dazzcam. So when you first download the app, the language is in English, and so if you tap you tap on there, and then on the top left corner, the setting icon, tap there, and then there it says language. So tap the language, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 languages, and you could just tap on the language you want from the option there. So for example, Portuguese, tap, and you don't have to restart or anything. That's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.